Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name's John, and today I'm gonna be bleaching my hair platinum blonde. Dun, dun, dun. So today I'm gonna be dyeing my hair platinum blonde. I'm super nervous, kind of excited. I don't know what to think. I've dyed my hair, or I've highlighted my hair before, so I know it takes well, but I've never done my whole head, and we'll see. So, just a little disclaimer, I'm not a professional, so, you know, everyone's results may vary, but what I've known and what I've, heard and what to do is basically treat your hair before you bleach it. So I've treated it a couple times. I've made it really greasy, so I haven't washed it in 3 days, 3 to 4 days. You can tell there's no product in it, but it's I have so much hair. It's thick and stiff because there's so much grease in it. So that's really good for basically bleaching your hair because it's gonna, not damage it as well, and it's actually gonna take better. So I don't recommend washing your hair and then bleaching because you're gonna damage your hair. The oil is gonna protect my hair, so that's a good thing. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started, and hopefully this turns out well. I'm gonna show you guys regardless, but I'm praying to God, and I think it's gonna work out well. Alright guys, so today I'm going to be using this Brillance, Blonde Brillance kit. You can buy it at Sally's. It's like 10 bucks. And I'm going to be mixing this up to bleach my hair, and then I'm going to be going back in with a toner, which is a platinum toner, and a developer, basically mixing those together to get the platinum blonde effect. So let me zoom you guys in. Okay guys, we're going to be using this packet. I'm going to empty it out into this tray, and then I'm going to put in the developer in here, and then I'm going to mix it up with this, and then I'm going to apply it with this. So I'm super nervous.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
And now we apply it to our hair.
Turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
so I'm done. You can already see it's starting to take. So I'm gonna leave it on for about 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 40 minutes maybe, because I've been doing it and it's been on here for a while. It says to leave it on for, hold on, let me check the timer now. Okay, 6:22. So it says to leave it on for like 60 to 90 minutes, depending on your hair type. I don't recommend that. Recommend just leaving it on for 45 minutes max, and then after that, you know, if it's not the correct color you want, then re-bleach it, and then you try again. Basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bleach it, let it do its thing, then I'm going to tone it right after. Okay guys, so I rinsed out the bleach, and as you can see, my hair is wet, but it has a lot of brass in it. So we're gonna fix that with the toner and a purple or blue shampoo. Probably blue because I have a lot more orange than I expected I was gonna have. But you can see the roots lifted nicely and everything. So let's get applying that.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night, erase all of these broken dreams and flight. And we'll
Hey guys, so it's been on for about 20 minutes. I'm gonna wash it out now. It's kind of looking pinky, and we'll see what happens. So I just came out of the shower. It's still wet, but it took very well. It looks nice. I need to go over it with more shampoo and probably another toner just to make it a little lighter. It looks really good. So let me dry it and then I'll show you guys. Hey guys, so it's actually been a week since the last footage you guys saw. My hair was actually really brassy still, so I ended up having to bleach it again, but I waited a week because, you know, it was overly processed and I wanted to not damage my hair. You can bleach it right away again, but or actually I would just wait a day and then bleach it again if you really had to, but I recommend waiting a week and then re-bleaching it. And then I retoned it. I used a different toner this time. I used a Wella toner. I'll link it up here or show you a picture of what toner I used. It's the Pale Ash Blonde one, T14. And it made my hair really pretty, really ashy. I love it. It's wet right now, so it's just waiting to dry. I could process it maybe one more time or bleach it one more time, but I like the way it looks right now. So it's very like, it just goes very, very nicely. It's very pretty. I mean, there's some brassiness still, but that's what the purple shampoo's for. It'll help get that out a little, and I can tone it again later, but it looks natural, and I like that. I have like highlights in it, in a sense, which is weird, but yeah, I really like it. And I conditioned it with a aloe and coconut oil conditioner, and I left my toner in for about 25 to 30 minutes. So yeah, it's pretty. And when you bleach your hair again, you don't have to leave it in as long. And I just bleached the ends, so I didn't bleach down here by my scalp. As you guys can see already, my scalp is already growing, the hair's growing through. But I like that effect. I think it looks really cool. I will show you guys what it looks like dry tomorrow, or later on today. Probably tomorrow because I'm just gonna go to bed right now. But I will show you guys what it looks like tomorrow and kind of style too. And I can't wait for that. Okay, see you guys soon. So I'm back and I'm showing you my hair when it's dried. I don't know how it actually looks on the camera, but in person it does look a little lighter than it does on camera and is not as brassy. But it is a very ashy blonde. It is so pretty, so beautiful, and my hair is actually really healthy still, which I'm shocked because I did bleach it twice. But again, like I said in the video earlier, if you're bleaching your hair, make sure you don't really wash it for a couple days and treat it before, which basically saves you the hassle of it getting damaged. My hair is slightly damaged somewhat on the ends, but I mean, my hair was already damaged because I did dye my hair before that anyway, so that's also why you see the more brassiness at the ends rather than in the beginning, because this is virgin hair. So virgin hair always gets bleached first and easily, and also I have gray hair up in the front, so that's why it's like bleached perfectly, whereas in the ends it's more of a brassiest, goldeny. It's more goldeny now, but it was really red before the second bleach, and now it's basically a pretty, it's very pretty ashy blonde. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna show you guys, but it's very pretty. I have the mirror behind me so you can kind of see what it looks like in the back. You see right there, but it's very beautiful. Very, I still have like tons of hair. I basically did this because I've been going gray since I was 17 years old. There's nothing I can do about it. It's just genetics. But I've always tried to find another way or a different way to dye my hair less. I know highlighting helps with my hair a lot. It masks the grays, and you know, when the gray starts growing in, it kind of looks like a highlight. But I wanted to do something different. I wanted to see if blonde hair can actually even mask it even more, and it doesn't. I don't know. It hasn't grown in yet, but I don't think it will. And honestly, I think it's more of a hassle to have blonde hair than anything, especially if you're not blonde. Actually, if you are naturally blonde, I think it's a hassle too to have blonde hair, because you have to utilize certain shampoos and treat it differently. You can't be in the sun too much because it does become brassy, and you can't go in the water if you swim, so things like that. So it's a chore to become blonde. So honestly, I don't think I would go blonde again in the future. Maybe once or twice if I'm feeling it, but I would definitely do highlights again. I love highlights. It's so ashy and it's just beautiful. I will link all the products I used down below in the description so you guys can check it out. Again, remember, I bleached my hair twice. I used a toner once on the first bleach because I was like, you know what, fuck it, I have the toner anyways. But I ended up bleaching again the next week. So this has actually been a 2-week process. If I wanted to go completely platinum, I'd probably have to bleach my hair again. But I really like the way it looks. I like the color. It looks kind of more natural than platinum. So I'm loving it. I'm living for this. I have like so many different colors going on in my head, so it's kind of funny. But it does, my beard now actually matches my hair on top, which never did before. Sometimes I would dye my beard black because my hair was basically almost black, dark brown. I am not a professional by any means, and if you're going to bleach your hair, I do recommend going to a professional. But you know, I've dyed my hair, I've bleached my hair before with highlights. I've done tons of things to my hair before, since like I said, I've been going gray since I was 17. So I know how my hair works. I know what works on my hair and what doesn't. And I just, you know, I didn't want to spend $300 to get my hair bleached because that's what they quoted me. So I was like, oh hell no, I'm just gonna do it myself for like 10 to 20 bucks. Bleach is not that expensive, and like I said before, even if you're going to get your hair professionally bleached, I do recommend not washing it for a while and just doing treatments before then, just to make sure your hair is healthy enough for the bleach. If your hair is damaged and you bleach it, most likely it's gonna fall out or just break off at the ends. So, you know, just be aware of that. And yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I'm excited to be blonde for the summer, and I can't wait for my hair to kind of grow out a little and have like black and then blonde. I think that looks so sick and so beautiful. As you guys can tell already, it's already growing out like crazy. My hair grows so fast. There's nothing in my hair right now. There's no product or anything. This is how it just naturally dries. So sorry if it's like messy and crazy. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you guys want to see more of this type of video, I will gladly help out. I know a lot of guys have questions, you know, how do they bleach their hair, or they're kind of nervous, you know, or whatever, to bleach their hair. Honestly, I'm all for it. If you're a guy or a girl, bleach your hair, dye your hair, do what you want with your hair. You know, you only have one life to live, and I feel like as long as you're comfortable, just do it, experiment, and have fun with it. If you're a guy, don't be scared to experiment with your hair. Who the hell cares what they think? And as long as you're confident in yourself and you love the way you look, that's all that matters. So guys, thank you so much for watching my videos, and like this video if you loved it. give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Don't forget to follow me down on all my social links. They will be linked down below. Follow me at John St. Louis on Instagram for the most active version of myself. And there's some like crazy photos that I post in there, so you guys gotta check that out. Go like and comment on all my pics, okay? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. As always guys, please remember, never give up, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.